Right then, do you want to go for some food?
Yeah. Bacon, egg, mushroom, brown sauce, please. Oh, amazing. Thank you very much.
What next, brother?
Meatloaf sandwich, on rye, add bacon.
And I'll go for salt beef bagel with cream cheese and plenty of horseradish, please. Oh yeah.
I want some of that ham.
Thank you very much.
Can you do me super tidy with bacon? That's where you need to go with a burger, it's a classic.
I'll take the bunga bunga, I will, please. Oh, there we are. Happy days. Excellent beer.
Yeah, 4 white IPA, 4 Californian, 4 contemporary wheat. A couple of atom bombs, I think. We can do quite spicy. Do you know what? A smoothie. The thing is about Millgate, they make the lot. A neighbourhood restaurant for the whole city, isn't it?
You purist. It's full of flavour and it's a nice, refreshing change from eating a plate of meat.
Yeah. What's next then, mate?
Pies.
Oh, lovely.
The pastry is flaky, but also substantial enough to hold itself together.
I don't know what to say now about these. I just want to eat it. It's all about that charcoal grill though with this chicken.
Charcoal grill.
Yeah. It does something, doesn't it? 10-piece wings, definitely.
10-piece wings.
Spicy. We've got a really good reputation now, Cardiff, for food. We've always had good calibre, family-run food businesses in Cardiff, and we've been ignoring it.
What's for afters?